I mean, over here, stop say people have to come and chat fucker. But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if me say something like this. Black people have to come in our way and chat in our region. Oh, like what you would I tell the Chinese people in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All in all, you know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that not really matter.
How good is your patois?
It's all right.
Can we do a little speed round?
Okay.
What does wagwan mean?
What's going on?
How about bati boy?
It's like a sissy.
Like a homosexual?
Yeah.
What about me love ya?
I love you.
I mean, I know. I love you. I love you too. Wait, but what does me love ya mean?
It's just saying me instead of I.
Can we run that again? So what does me love ya mean?
I love you.
I love you too.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channels. My name is Team Tasty Reaction. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like and also comment. For my returning viewers, thank you so much. Thank you for your support you are showing me and to this channel. So kindly guys, in today's video is about the amazing video is about West people. West people are really exist in this world and really speaking a fluent Patois language. So kindly guys, as I told you that Jamaica being the influential country, they normally influence most of people. And Patois language is the language that's originated from Jamaica. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end, and then I'll come back with more reaction.
I love you too.
Thanks.
I'm gonna be serious.
For the haters that claim that I'm not Jamaican, let's go. Trouble. Trouble. Right, next. It no go so. It don't go so. It doesn't go that way. That's not how it goes. Maga, skinny. Ooh, which I'm not. Thick crew. I joke, I'm just fat. Fast. Too like fast up in a people business. Inquisitive. Walla fresh. Take a bath, shower. Yeah, I water. I watering. Last but not least, what do we got? Tana yard. Stay at your yard.
Whew. Cold, man. $10 for the hats? Oh yeah, yes. It's so cold. I was thinking about getting these ones. Mita likes to buy a hat. Mita likes to buy a hat. Away. All right, Mita like a hug. Yeah. All right, bless up. It's cold, man. Need a scarf. Yeah. Mita likes to buy a one with red. $10 for this? $10 for the red one too?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
You know what, Jamaican? Yeah, that's right. You saw me. That's a long time.
Me a
I know you want to try talk like a friend. You can't go to Jamaica. You can't go to Jamaica?
No, me never yet go a yard. Me never yet go a yard.
Walk in at the tourist era. What do you mean try?
Uncle Jamaica.
What can't go to tourist era?
Alright.
Don't care about Kingston.
Okay.
Where Kingston he come from?
You come from Kingston?
Himself, the nice beach.
Me don't like to go on Montego Bay.
Some nice hotel down in Manchester Bay.
Yeah, man. Oh, one for me or one for my friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like how you look out.
That's cool, man. Cool, man. Yeah. Bless up. You know where me can find some real Jamaican food for them?
Turn around like that. Where you want Jamaican food?
Jamaican food, yeah.
Alright. Yeah, alright.
know real Jamaican food, man. What? It's a Me, I learn fichat, little patois. Huh?
Oh, I teach you.
Me, I learn in the internet.
Oh.
Yeah, and with me friend here.
Oh.
With me friend here.
Have you ever been there?
No, me never yet go yet.
No people don't get
Yeah, me have to go to try some real Jamaican food, man. Some jerk pork.
Chicken is
Yeah.
on your mouth.
Yeah, man.
It's like how you're brown when you eat the pepper, you're more red.
Oh, them Jamaican patty, them.
Yes, man.
Oh, yeah. No, me.
A lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. Put a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love the curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup. And my mother used to make...
My great-great-grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in England.
Mind game. You say that in the England thing, burn out Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people.
Are your grandfather come from there?
Yeah. But in change up with the German them. But when you go to Canada, and you tell them say from Jamaica, they expect say a few black people, dark people come from Jamaica. It's a one set of pussies them, not true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they never knows the straight nose man there.
Yeah. And when this hard Patois,
here.
I'm going to be a joke.
Yeah.
My son, you know, up, live up Canada now, fit. He go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now up there. And he never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club.
Yeah.
And then see some Jamaican. And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. He said, no, he imitate the Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Wow.
Call him and start trick him and trick them.
If him know who your foundation of Jamaica, yeah.
And he start talk the Patois now. He said, "Bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true."
Mind game, them. Mind game, man.
Yeah.
I mean, over here, so say people have to come and and chat fuckery. But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if me say something like this. Black people have to come in our way and chat in our region. Oh. Like what you would I tell the Chinese people them in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All in all, you know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that's not really a matter.
I'm Chinese, Jamaican, Bermudian. My mom is Chinese, Jamaican, and then my dad is Bermudian.
Brother, I never know said this was going to be a whole thing. So, my mother is Honduran and Jamaican. My father is Chinese and Indian Jamaican. Me put the Chinese in my bio because it's what I look like. Everybody I got to identify me first as Chinese, not Jamaican. But when me identify to people and people hear me talk, them are gonna be like, oh, she's Jamaican. So there you go. So basically, yeah. And for the people who want to be like, well, Jamaican people listen, brother, the amount of mix-up people there Jamaica exhibit, hey, like, if somebody tell you say them Jamaican. Point blank, period.
I also came across a couple of videos where white Jamaicans share their experiences, and they're saying they're not viewed as Jamaicans because of the color of their skin.
Not being Jamaican has really hurt my feelings because I was told my skin tone makes me not Jamaican.
Every time James and I make TikToks, we just get like a bunch of people telling us that we're not Jamaican, which is fine. Like, you can have your own opinion. The only problem I have is, where else do I claim? I was born here.
Did you experience a lot of racism growing up white in Jamaica? Very minimal. But I do remember one very racist moment. I couldn't have been more than 6. A fellow classmate, a very young girl at the age of 6 as well, would sing to me, "Black is beauty, red is corruption. Black is beauty, red is corruption." Now that I'm 40, I realize how deep that actually went. To think that here is this young girl, and she's been taught by her parents to sing black is beauty and red is corruption. And that's also an important lesson to teach your children, because racism ends with you.
And it makes you think, what really makes someone Jamaican? Is it the culture, the language, the way they live, or does race still play a role? Because on the other side, I also found Black Jamaicans sharing their thoughts on identity and what being Jamaican really means. Let's take a look.
Salam alaikum, y'all. So, I don't know if you realize it, but there's been a bit of cuss over who is a Jamaican, who's not a Jamaican, what is a Jamaican. I just wanted to give the answer to that question. First things first, it seems that a lot of people never learn the difference between race, nationality, and ethnicity. That being said, it's very simple. Nationality is where you hold citizenship to, aka where you have a passport. The thing about a nationality is it's not stagnant. People are born in countries and leave those countries all the time, giving up one nationality for another. As it stands, I hold a Jamaican and US nationality. Tomorrow, I could easily become Italian British. Maybe not easily, but you know what I mean. Next is ethnicity. These are the cultural traditions, the language, the values that belong to a certain people group. Now, the thing about ethnicity is every ethnicity operates differently. For Jews, it's passed down matrilineally. So if your mother was Jewish, then you are Jewish. But for our Somali brothers and sisters, if your father is Somali, then you are Somali. Your ethnicity may also determine the languages you speak, the religions you practice, the cultural traditions you believe and hold dear. And then there's race, which out of the three holds very little weight. Because what might be considered black in one country is considered brown in the next and colored in another. Never forget that the Irish, the Italians, the Polish, when they came to the United States of America at various points in time, were not considered white, but today are. That being said, the island of Jamaica was first inhabited and settled by the indigenous people known as the Taino. They were the ones, after all, who gave the island the name Jamaica, meaning the land of wood and water. The island was then colonized by Spaniards from Spain, and with them came the Sephardic Jews from Portugal, as well as the first set of Africans that they would have enslaved. Shortly after, the British took control of the island and increased the amount of Africans being brought, but along with the British came the Welsh, the Scottish, and the Irish. By the time you hit 1838 and slavery is officially abolished, the British are now importing Chinese and Indians to Jamaica to replace the labor shortage. The first Indians arriving in 1845, the first Chinese arriving in 1854. And given that every generation is roughly 30 years, I think we can do the math to establish how many generations from the first people landed to now have been in this country. And of course, I cannot forget the Syrians who came to the island of Jamaica seeking refuge from the Ottoman Empire. Nor could I forget the poor Germans of Seaford Town that were brought to the island of Jamaica to buffer between the black and white populations. And although you won't hear the average Jamaican on the street using terms like African Jamaican, Asian Jamaican, you'll definitely hear him say words like the coolie man, the Chinese man, or the nigger man.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Team Tessie Reaction. Kindly for watching me. If you haven't subscribed, let's subscribe, like, share, and comment. And let's interact in comment section. Let's just say hi in a Patois language. So kindly guys, hope you have watched a very powerful speech from different people, different words, speaking a Patois language. Patois language is the language that originated from Jamaica, and it was widespread through reggae music, because most of the reggae music normally use a Patois language, and that language widespread across all over the world. Even also we have seen the Bible being translated to Patois language. So Patois language is just a same language as an English language for those who don't know. But Jamaica has really embraced that Patois language. Jamaica being a small island, it has managed to influence most of the people. Most of people now love to just go to Jamaica, they just speak Patois language. And you have seen how really whites are being speaking Patois language. You have seen that guy, white guy, saying Wagwan. That's a Patois language. We have also seen how that guy who has been working in carriage, that man has spent entire life. He's just a white Jamaicans. Yeah? So he's just a Chinese Jamaicans. And Chinese also normally speak Patois language in those countries and other countries. And even now Japanese, they have also joined being speaking Patois language. And this language is being influential language, and it's easy language to understand because it was used during the reggae music. You find that if somebody now started maybe singing the reggae music, just a wagwan, just mention the word wagwan. That wagwan has been used across all over the world. And even we have seen Kamala Harris also spoke a Patois language. One time she spoke a Patois language, and that is now being an influential country, being the most loved country. And apart from Patois language, this is some of the things that made Jamaica to be known. It's about those culture, dancing. Most of dancers, you have seen how really Vibe Cartel, maybe he sings, the most people really dancing. And another thing is about what I call the culture of food. Food in Jamaica, really delicious food. People now, they come out and eat those food, very delicious food. That's make Jamaica to be unique. And people just like to come to Jamaica. They just migrate to Jamaica. And when you ask somebody, I just love Jamaica because of the food, because of the reggae music. And you can ask me, Timotheus, why you really preferring Jamaica? No, Jamaica really have a lot of talents. And you can ask yourself, why is it that most of Jamaica, being the small island, has the tourist center? Because of those reggae music, people want to go to Jamaica to see Bob Marley. People want to go Jamaica to see the likes of Usain Bolt. Those are the legends. People want to go to Jamaica to visit Vibes Cartel. Those make Jamaica to be known in a tourist center because of those notable, prominent singers and also the athletics. Because now when you come in terms of athletics, Jamaica is the best. So Jamaica is doing the best across all over the field. Music, comedy, culture like singing, you have dancing, all those are in Jamaica. That's make him to be the unique country. And Jamaica just has a small island. It has a low population. And that's now the love that we really love to Jamaicans. And that's if everybody wants to go to Jamaicans. You have also seen how really people migrating to go and live in Jamaica. Somebody has now people are retiring. When you just do a job in West Country, when you retire, somebody wants to go to spend her entire life in Jamaica, because even Jamaica has law. Life in Jamaica is cheap. So Jamaica being in cheap and you can live in a simple life, people decided to just go to Jamaica to live on those areas. And that's why Jamaica being the unique and the most lovely country across all over the world. So kindly guys, let's speak Patois language in comment section and your love towards Jamaica. So kindly guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. For my full credit goes to the original creator of that video. Bye for now. See you later.